So we have just come from the. So we have come again to Bangalore to meet that secret person.
कोट में एक आदमी खेलता है, उधर आदमी जवान खेल रहा है।
So Mateen, what are these books for?
So actually we got this to-do list for all of the employees and for us as well. So if you come near, I'm just going to show it. So this is how we have made it. So it's just like a very small paper and just the date, to-do list for the day. And if there is any meetings, they can just write it down over here. And if there is some reminders for tomorrow, like they might be doing some task today and they get something like, if someone says get back to me tomorrow, they just write it down for the reminders for the next day and notes for the day as well. And this make them accountable. डिस्काउंट नहीं हमें लिए थे, सो इधर ये क्या हुआ कोट है, उन दोनों आध दिन अपवाद उसे क्या होना कोट,
ये कोट ना
ये कोट में एक आदमी एक्स्ट्रा खेले तो क्या होना क्या
ये कोट में एक आदमी खेलता है, उधर आदमी जवान खेल रहा है।
अभी कहते चले गए कितने बजे गए
500 प्लस
150 प्राइवेट ले जाओ
सैटरडे पे मेल नहीं मेरी मां शादी है।
इंश्योरेंस ले लो
We are on our way to Mica, where we are gonna go hire some good folks. We have shortlisted people, the roles where we are gonna hire for. We'll take you around.
At the age of getting paid, we are hiring people.
Yeah.
Good feeling, yeah.
Good feeling, but
hopefully we get the right time.
yes. We have come to Mica. It's the lunch break. We have got quite a few candidates whom we have interviewed and they have a very good potential. We have to finalize out of all the candidates we are still gonna interview, and maybe by the end of the day we'll have some good folks coming into cohorts. Done with the hiring part. We have shortlisted a few. They're gonna go to office now, finalize the shortlisted people, and then write them an email that hey, that you're onboarded, or hey, that we can't onboard you because of so and so reason, or yeah, let's go to office, shortlist people, and let's get people on board. So we have just come from the hiring drive which we had in Mica. We are finalizing on the people we are going to hire. We have got very good people, who have very good potential. We are chopping out on how many can join us in the offer which we can give them.
So we have interviewed around 50 people, right?
Yeah, we have interviewed more than 50.
So how many shortlisted?
We have shortlisted around 10 to 12 of them, and we'll be going with 5 or 6 of them.
Maybe five.
Yeah.
5 should be alright. Good.
Okay. Tell me a bit. We didn't get a chance again. Okay. Tell me what exactly you did there.
I was a part of that is what it was just
You were getting
in media there was fresh works. They automatically get points of engagement. Yeah, they get points. Now, basis these points, they are leveraging. So people are basically leveraging their value to getting access to those courses. Okay. Hi people. So we have come again to Bangalore to meet that secret person, the OG YouTuber. Let's see the discussion. It is the second meeting. He had given us a lot of points to work on. We have worked upon them and we have come to discuss the next steps. Let's see what happens.
Niche of contents that you would want to see, what you prefer, and you give your preferences and you say when to land over here. So this is your feed page.
Hello people, it's Thursday today. It's around 10:30 in the morning. We don't have Yasir today in the office as well. We have went to Ooty for some work. He left as soon as we came to Mysore yesterday. We reached Mysore around 3 AM in the morning and he left at 5 AM in the morning. We also don't have our TL in the office, who is Madhu. He's facing some health issues. I'm sorry, I'm not catching the camera bad. Guys, we are still facing the problem with the Azure credits. If anyone of you who knows how to solve this and any solution for this, please reach out to me on the email address mateen@cohots.in. Any help from you guys would be really appreciated. And also we are planning to change our content strategy, because if you see on Cohots app Instagram account, we have nearly posted around more than 100 videos, 100 reels, but we have got around 300 followers, right? So meaning that for every reel we are putting out, we are getting around three followers. So this does not make sense to keep posting so much, right? So we need to change our content strategy. And even if anyone of you knows anything, any suggestions, please do add in the comment box, or you can reach out to me at mateen@cohots.in as well. And in regards with the meeting which we had yesterday with the influencer, not naming the name, we are adding 2 additional features. Only after adding those, we will be releasing our MVP.
And we want to onboard certain creators who have the potential to come on our platform, create communities, and also generate a great amount of revenue, and people who genuinely want to build their own communities.
Seriously, I was told 4 to 6, 4 to 5.
Okay, confirm it because
The other lady hasn't confirmed. The Cindy told she'll call back after 10 minutes.
we will give him a call back. So he is interested in AI. Okay. Hello people, how are you doing? So it's Friday around 5:10. So I'm going to the office. I just went back home for my lunch. We had some second round interviews going on. One person came in the morning. He was a good fit. We have given him the offer and we are waiting for his reply back. He said that he's going to reply back by tomorrow. And we have couple more people who have come for a second round interview and they're waiting at the office. Let's see. When Yasser is not here, he's not feeling well. He came back from Ooty today. Not today, I believe. Yesterday night. And he was not feeling well, so he's not at the office right now, but he will be joining us after some time. Hoping for the best, because we need a right team to grow. Without right team, we cannot grow towards what we are thinking of. So that's the reason we want the right people at the right place, right? Hoping for the best. We actually interviewed 50 people and we have shortlisted around 9 of them. And in 9, 5 of them are coming into the second round and 4 might be coming tomorrow or in the next week. So, and we might be hiring just like 4 people in that 9 as well.
Marketing the product. All our
How much money did you
around 8 lakhs.
Writing documentation, but I've already done that, and I didn't think it was enough for me to move all the way back. So yeah, either.
Hi. Hi. Okay. Jokes apart. This is Kirtan. He will be joining us from 12th, which is next Monday. From Monday, he will be working with us. Aswin, she is from ATME. She finished her BTech.
In computer science.
In computer science, yeah. That is Manan. He also finished his BCA. BCA, you know? Yeah. Bachama. Chirag. Currently pursuing something. BCom. And Akash, engineering student at ATME right now. So I am Madhusudan. I will be the team lead. So we will work together. So guys, this is Kirtan, as I told you. Who is introducing you. So this will be the team. 2 more people are missing out today. One is Sakib. He is working for YAY Media, which is another company of these people. And
that thing. So we thought, let's do more different in recording videos. So what we did, we took a photo of them. Okay? We take a big photo of them. We did time here, give 30 seconds of the time. We did catch it with this. We recorded the video so that they to see how तू कुछ कर लेगा, ले मेरे पैसे पकड़, ये तू अगर डुबा भी देगा ना मेरे को कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ले रख, अगर कुछ बड़ा बन गया तो मेरा भी कुछ हो जाएगा. So he just gave me 60,000. That time it was like okay, give it, and my dad gave me like